Welcome back to Travel Skills. Today I'm unboxing a brand new Unbound Merino Ultralight travel backpack and sharing my first impressions. I'll also be taking it on an upcoming business trip, so stay tuned for a full review after I put it to the test. I've enjoyed Unbound Merino clothing on past trips. Their merino wool shirts and layers have always impressed me with quality and attention to detail. So when they announced a backpack, I was really curious to see how it would stack up. Unbound seems to be marketing this pack to the frequent traveler, the minimalist, and the business traveler. I tend to travel for both work and fun, domestic and international. For this upcoming work trip, I'll use the Away Everywhere bag as my main personal carry-on, but I'll bring this backpack as my day bag. I'll also test out the Unbound organizer inside the Away bag to see how well it works across different setups. Out of the box, the backpack comes in a nice mesh dust cover. It feels premium with some weight to it. Pulling it out, my first impression is how thin it is. I can already see this being great to pack flat in my luggage, ready to use as a day bag instead of relying on a sling. I've used Peak Design slings before and liked them, but this feels like it takes up no extra space. That said, I'm curious how comfortable it'll be for all-day wear. The straps are thin, and while there's a carabiner meant for theft deterrence, I'll have to test if it's really practical. A detail I do like is the strap ties that keep extra webbing from dangling. It makes the bag feel tighter, though I wish they'd use magnets like Peak Design to hold the straps close to the body. Inside, you'll find the organizer that attaches to the bag. My first reaction is that I wish it wasn't centered. It feels like it takes up a lot of space. Maybe I'll find it useful once I pack it, but I'll definitely be watching how it performs. Overall, the materials feel premium, the zippers are smooth and sturdy, and the bag is impressively thin and light. My big question is whether the features can really justify the price. So those are my first impressions. I'll be traveling with this bag soon, and we'll post a full follow-up. What worked, what didn't, and whether I think it's worth it. If you want to see how I pack for a few days work trip, let me know in the comments. And if you have other questions about the bag, I'll cover those in the review as well. If you're interested in learning more about the Unbound Merino backpack, I recommend checking out Nomad Nation's and Chase Reeves' reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the update.